Top tips about how to make money online that anyone can follow. Money is not just something we need, it's something we want. We would like to have a comfortable lifestyle where we don't have to worry about paying our bills. In order to do this, one job often isn't enough, which is why many turn to online opportunities as detailed below. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. When you need to make some extra income to pay bills or provide you with the luxuries you deserve, the advice in this video becomes priceless. Use these tips as you begin your career online. You will find that money will begin to stream in and your wallet will fatten up. Student loan.